me a cuss you out. Me in a things and me just a tell you about a things. So me say you bumbo clot, where you ramp with me for you.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
What's up, guys? I'm your girl Cavian.
Wagwan, I'm your boy Billy, which is silly.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to another video.
So guys, this is a part 2 video. Alright, so we did one video yesterday. I will premiere it already, and this is a part 2. So these were some mixed words or some mixed songs, and we're going to translate them in a Patwa.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, do some English phrases and then translate them in a
Patwa.
Yeah.
So let's get into the video.
The first one we'll do the common one. First one, common one.
We'll have them right down in our book, so if I look on that, you're looking now.
So first one, what's up? So we say what's up.
So in a
Patwa.
In a Patwa, would I say wapen? Where you say wagwan? Where I deal with where the chop. So some of them are like long time and some of them are like recent. I would say up top, chip chop. You get that?
Chip chop.
So chip chop. So if you say to a Jamaican, what's up? You're gonna say chip chop. So basically I hear you. So the number 2 is
when you cuss, isn't it?
I
want to comment.
Bumbo clat.
Yeah.
So basically it mean like me a cuss you out. Me in a things and me just a tell you about a thing. So me say you bumbo clat, where you ramp with me for you bumbo clat. Don't mess with me.
Bumbo clat man.
A bumbo clat man.
Bumbo clat you.
Yeah. So we have number 3.
Bumbo clat.
Number 3. What is number 3 now?
Where are you? Where are you with English?
So
what did I say it
in a Jamaica, in a Patwa, we would have say where you there, which part you there, which part of the world you there. So basically we have say which part of the world you there.
I can still say where chap there.
Yeah, where the chap there.
Yeah, so it's basically I use more than one word at different people.
Yeah.
The same meaning. Where chap there.
So basically you would have say where are you? We have say where you there, where the chap there, etc. Number 4.
How old are you?
Yeah, what age? Yeah, what age? You are how much? Get that, people? And before me going on number 5, I want you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video, and comment. And leave a comment in the description box. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Turn that subscribe button in a gray
post notification
and hit the notification bell so you can know anytime we upload.
So number 5
would have been
in English. Where are you from?
Somebody say where you're from, where you come from. So where you're from, where you come from. You get that, people?
What part of where you come from?
So they would have say where you from. I mean, in Jamaican, they say where you from, which part of where you come from. Get that, guys? Comment in the comment section and tell me if you get it, you know. And if you enjoy the video, hit a like. Me not go hard on the likes, I just want 50 likes. So if you don't like the video,
50?
Yeah, we not go hard. If you don't like the video, we want 50 likes. That's all me ask, you know. 50 likes and for reach 1,200 subscribers. That's all I'm asking.
1,200.
That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for much. Yeah. So let's jump into number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah.
I wanna kind of popular too.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, OMG. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ. Or you could have say G's and P. Or you could have say
G's and P's.
Yeah, G's and P or G's and P's. Or you could have say Lord God. So basically, you know, you show expression. Yeah. Number
Next
7.
now, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
Me would have said no. No ramp with me. No play with me. Don't frig with me. Now get that? Let me repeat it one more time.
Don't frig around.
Don't mess with me. It would have mean no ramp with me.
Mm-hmm.
No play with me. Don't frig around with me.
Don't frig around.
Wanna get that?
Don't
Tell me if
frig
you get
around.
it, you know. So we can move on to number 8. Tell you guys if you get it.
So number 8 now would I say move over.
Yo,
Move over.
We would I say small up yourself now. Or squeeze up there. Or go over.
Small up yourself and squeeze up yourself.
Go over. Go
Make
over.
yourself smaller.
Small up yourself or squeeze up there. Wanna get it?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if me talk too fast, you know, because I know me talk fast. We are at number 9.
So number 9 would that be like take my picture.
Somebody said, take my picture. And what else?
Take my picture.
Snap me then, no?
Take my picture.
So my friend from overseas come and say, can I take my picture? Me would reply and say to her.
Yo, snap me there.
Snap me then, no? Or
Yo, brother, come snap me now.
take my picture now.
Come give me a one snap.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
And we're on the final one. Which
The
is
party was good.
yo dog, the party did nice last night, you know. Or dog, the party did turn up, you know. Or yo babe, you know, so the party did shot last night still.
Yo, be you know, so the party slap way, shell way.
It's shell
You know
done.
good again, you know?
I be a liquor drink last night, you know.
Everything shampoosy.
Everything shell.
Shampoosy.
Yeah. So we really it, you know what I mean? And we have another one. We have a bonus
So, like,
one.
So, normally them thing is like a vibe star.
Yeah.
It's a flow talk. And I
Yeah,
really know where,
expression and you know, it give a little movement.
I really know where you have to sit down and study and go to school. So I just jump, like a build an expression on the spot. What the chap, what you deal with, brother? You see me? I'm more like overseas now, them say, oh, hip hop vibes.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, hip hop vibes.
So we have a bonus one.
Excellent.
Somebody say, yo babes, nah like sell off. You can say turn up.
Turn up.
I can say it wicked.
Yeah.
I say it shatter roll. Shut.
Oh yeah, it's like when I say it was excellent. It's when I say them word, you know, you have to say shut.
You say, yo, your Billy's foreign friend forward and say, yo, you know the party was excellent. Never said to him, said, dog,
No,
the party did sun up. It did shut. You know what I mean?
So
Slap way.
I can pause and yo, the
Yo, the
thing
party did slap way. Yes, guys. So we don't have any more at the moment. It was just only 10. We actually come up with at the moment. There's a lot of more slangs out there. There's a lot of more Patwa words out there, and people from all over the world enjoy talking our language as well.
You have somewhere
So
foreign people that are more gravitate to like man, bumbo clot.
Yeah, that's the main one.
You see me?
Yeah.
Wow, you remember I said wagwan.
So guys, there you have it. This is the part 2. So in part 1 we do sentences and then we translate them in a Patwa. Now we just choose random slangs and then give them in our Patwa. Yeah. So if you enjoy the video,
just give me some thumbs up and some likes and want to share it out. Please comment on the video. We need to see the comments.
Yeah, we need to see the comments and we need to see the views them and move.
And the next thing to people want to search for Bells TV. You see me? Go up on the YouTube, go up on the search page and just Bells TV.
The only thing guys may ask for us put we are 1,200 subscribers and just watch the video them to the end. If you want to watch the video them to the end, we're all good. We bringing out more content. And you know, just don't forget to subscribe to the video to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Turn that bell gray. Turn that bell gray for us. and you will see more videos coming from us.
I remember people if visit with Instagram page. Mine is Juna_Jenna. Our merge it is Clive.Cavian forever. So now visit our page, like it up on our personal Instagram page, Cavian Levy.
No, Determinelevy on Instagram.
Determinelevy
Facebook,
on Instagram.
You have Cavian Levy. And don't forget, guys, use my discount code at Lulu Holistic.
Lulu,
guys.
Lulu Holistic
skincare. They sell amazing products. And the link I got always in the description box.
So just run down there, so click on it as always and just use it up. You see me?
Yeah. Don't forget, guys, them have 2 for 1 right now. If I buy one, you get the next one free. And them sell face scrub, them sell face mask, them sell
everything
things for your skin, for your ear. If you have eczema, them sell things for that as well. If you have blemishes on your skin, them sell things, and their prices are very, very reasonable, and them always have sale at once. So don't forget, the link I got in the description box. If you want to support us, and we're going to get our PayPal account up and running, and if you don't want to send me something, you can go ahead and send it. So there you have it, guys. I know this video is kind of a bit different, and you just sit down and we're not laughing, we're not really,
good,
but
man.
So don't forget.
I understand, so some video you have to just sit down and just inform. So this one is just an informative
TV,
video.
So don't forget, guys, just subscribe.
Yeah, and just big up on yourself. Until next time, this is Bell TV, and we are out.
One more thing, guys, stay safe and turn on the yard.
Yeah, stay with your spouse.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.